start now is the little mini 1275 engine, but with a rotor twin cam head, so it makes it a 1293 stripped out model from specification. Started life as a mini automatic, so it's running pretty well.
Wheel spin now.
By company, the triple rotor, engine in this Mazda RX-7, drift car, driven by Mark Louis. Louis by name, wouldn't dare say, he's a big lad.
Why aren't they holding on to it?
How much? It's quite a huge amount of power, but I think it's like a lot of these rotary engines, it's in a very narrow rev range. Here's a local car, around the corner. Me and Briggs will go and have a chat to us tomorrow, but this car, very brave move to produce a production single-seater rotor, but it's paying off in terms of sales and this country, in the States and in China. They launched the car in Shanghai.
Well, that's one you said was like the lightest one, didn't you?
That's where you see the gears and all that working.
201. The Mazda was a 3.4 with the speed trap, whereas the VAC Mono was a original weapon. So
I'm going to put this all on YouTube.
With Oliver Webb at the wheel. He's out of Vicarage now, heading for this. Supercharged Honda Civic engine. Now, is this the car that's broken the record? Yes, this is Robbie Kerr. It's a 59.65, first ever circuit of Cholomdley in under a minute. And the aerial assist has gone to the speed trap at 116, but Robbie was doing 124 earlier today. So look over to the big screen. You can see what 125 or so miles per hour. Heading up towards 128 through the street. Wow. Now braking down towards the little chicane. We go through the Lodge corner. Now into Vicarage.
Michael
Heading
Crump.
towards the chicane.
What?
Meanwhile,
Michael Crump.
Listen, it's the R35 built for the
German.
Car that won the world championship last two-wheel drive. The Radical Lane well heading into Haltington. As quick as doing. Yeah, now over the round towards Castle Corner. Through Castle, now we're going over the
Dodge
over the finishing line.
That's the loudest one you can get.
Time 57.39. Wow, that's 2 seconds quicker.
When you've got a NASCAR.
That's amazing. Wait